Did you know that your gut is not just the second brain of your body? It is your signal. Most people think their gut is the second brain, yeah? That's incomplete. Your gut is not just thinking. Your gut is signaling, yeah? It is constantly receiving and sending informations about your internal state, how you feel, how you react, not just what you eat, but how you live and how you feel when you eat and when you drink, yeah? When it consumes what you have eaten before. You can have the cleanest diet physically. You can eat the best organic food, no sugar, perfect macros. And still, you could feel bloated, inflamed, and fatigued. Why? Why is that? A lot of people eat so many fresh and very healthy nutritions, but they cannot, take advantage from that food. And the reason is because their gut does not only processes food, it processes signal of your brain frequency, your heart frequency, your nervous system frequency. Signal. The enteric nervous system, your so-called second brain, is directly connected to your brain through the vagus nerve. Yeah? The vagus nerve is here, along the spine, where the trauma are released or not released. Yeah? The place where all the traumas are stored in the body. That connection carries information about you, about your stress levels, emotional suppression, perceived safety, internal conflicts, all that what you fear, and all that what motivates you. Yeah? Everything here stored. Now, if your nervous system lives in a survival mode, your gut knows that. The gut knows that. Yeah? If you lie to yourself and create positive mindset, you can create positive habits, you can think positively all the time, but this is conscious, yeah? But unconsciously, you carry unsolved trauma and your gut
knows that.
Your gut adjusts to that trauma, to that negative stored data within your body. And the gut adjusts biologically. Chronic stress increases cortisol. Fight and flight is all the time. Cortisol alters gut permeability. Yeah? The gut permeability affects immune responses. Yeah? And the immune response alters what? Inflammation. So you can have the cleanest food when you store trauma in your body, let's call it, overall, in the nervous system. Proper diet is not fixing it. Inflammation changes microbiome diversity, and suddenly it doesn't matter how clean your diet really is. The signal is distorted. Think about like this. Your body runs on impulses, yeah? Food is one input, light is the second input, movement is the another input, 3 inputs. Food, light, movement. But emotional truth is also on input. Emotional truth. If you eat perfectly but suppress your anger, if you meditate but avoid confrontation, if you train hard, you move hard, but you live in internal dishonesty to yourself, you lie to yourself about being who you are, the nervous system stays vigilant. The nervous system stays vigilant. And a vigilant nervous system does not digest efficiently. It prepares for threat. Digestion, parasympathetic activation. Digestion requires parasympathetic activation. Safety, coherence. Your body does not feel safe. It will not prioritize repair. It will prioritize survival, flight and fight, cortisol, adrenaline, not healthy for a long time. Spikes of cortisol, spikes of adrenaline is nice, but not constantly. Survival chemistry changes everything. Enzymes production, stomach acid, gut motility, bacterial balance. If you are in survival state, that happens. This is not spiritual poetry, what I'm telling you. This is not psychology. This is the reason why a lot of people eat clean and they ask me, why do I have this belly, this huge belly when I'm skinny fat? And I am saying to them, check your cortisol levels, because maybe you have a stress, a cortisol release during the day so high and so extensive long that your body is not digesting properly. It takes care only about surviving your body during the day. A lot of people in corporate stress environments have that feelings of a high cortisol, not a spike, but long term, and they cannot go down with that. So they do not have order in the stomach. Your gut is not just a digestive organ. It is a signal interpreter. It is asking one question. Is this organism safe?
Safe?
Or not? Is this organism safe? If not, it will not ask if the salmon which you eat is organic. Instead, it will ask, is this life coherent? Not taking care about the salmon. Unresolved trauma creates stored stress patterns. Stored stress patterns keep the automatic nervous system slightly activated. Slight activation over years becomes chronic dysregulation. Chronic dysregulation becomes inflammation. Inflammation becomes
symptoms.
And we blame food.
Boom.
Come on, it's not about food. The problem is not always what you eat. The problem is often the signal your body is receiving and carrying within yourself. You are living in alignment. You are speaking truth. The question is, are you living in alignment? Are you speaking the truth? Are you suppressing emotions? Are you living in constant comparison? These are biological variables. A clean diet on top of an incoherent nervous system is like a premium fuel in a misaligned
engine.
The fuel is clean. The signal is not.
The signal is not.